Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Lockport, local and long-distance movers near me. Our reliable movers know how to ensure your long-distance move does not consist of all the stress. Whether you're moving one state over or you need to move across the country, we're here to assist you. With us, you get all the right moving services to make moving a lot simpler. Working with us provides you easy access to all the necessary moving services, including the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. When you went to work with an Illinois moving company, justifying the cost may seem to be hard. However, if you start to notice the benefits, the cost seems to be well worth it. You get the benefit of saving time in your local move, which can be well worth it. Movers can also assure you don't have to deal with any of the heavy lifting. Our team of movers can help make sure your move is efficient. Moving day becomes much easier with 3 movers due to the fact that we streamline your entire move. Even though your move is large enough that it would take you all week, we can get it done in less than 1 day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lockport moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, military moving, residential moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.